Yo, YouTube. If you've been searching for a method on how to get candy blossom and grow a garden, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this video. Make sure you watch it through to the end, follow all of the instructions, and also, guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe because so many of my viewers are not subscribed, and comment down below your username because I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway for tons of grow a garden resources. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get candy blossom in Grow a Garden using a working code. This is a simple Grow a Garden code, guys. 100% safe, 100% working, so you can all do this to get 100 free candy blossom seeds. And yeah, it takes a few minutes. So as you can see, I've got my mobile phone here, guys, and I've opened up the internet browser. I have an internet connection, and I'm just going to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So very important you do type it like this. As you can see, guys, I've typed it, cold coupons. And on this website, they have so many different codes. Not only Grow a Garden codes, they have codes for things that you wouldn't even believe. Go to the search bar, search for Grow a Garden. And they actually have a Roblox Grow a Garden codes page. As long as you can actually type it, guys, you will find it. So on this Roblox Grow a Garden codes page, as you can see, actually loads of people are actually using this. I found this method on YouTube. Some of the biggest YouTubers are using these codes to basically fund their videos. If you scroll down, they have some available codes. And in this case, guys, as you can see, we're scrolling through, we're looking for the Candy Blossom code. Here we go. Grow a Garden, 100 Candy Blossom for free. This is the best code, guys. There are limited codes, but there are hundreds of them, guys, and they're being used today. Of course, Candy Blossom is really popular. And it's always out of stock as well. No, even if you can afford it, you're very rarely able to actually buy it from the shop. So it says here, the code will be revealed after verification. So essentially, guys, because like I just mentioned, Candy Blossom's super rare and super difficult to get, you need to unlock your code. This prevents people from stealing hundreds of these codes, guys. You can only get 100 Candy Blossom per person, which is one code. So click on get full code and you're going to see this code unlocker, guys. Just follow the instructions here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. So basically, guys, to get your Grow a Garden code for Candy Blossom, you need to use this code unlocker to unlock your code and complete 2 of the free tasks. So you can see they're all completely free, and these tasks are things like mobile applications and free surveys. Very easy to complete, guys. As an example, this one here is a free survey, and if you read the description, it tells you how to complete it. This one says answer the questions and fill in valid details. So if you choose a survey, you just have to answer the questions and input a valid and working email address because it does verify you as a real person. Alternatively, this one is obviously TikTok is a mobile app. If you don't have TikTok, this is a really easy one to complete. You just need to download, install the app and run it for 30 seconds. So if you have TikTok, you have to choose a different application. But if you don't have TikTok, you can literally grab it from the App Store and run it for 30 seconds and that one will be complete. So complete any 2 tasks, really easy, guys. If you do everything correctly, your Grow a Garden code will be revealed here, and this will say unlocked, and you can grab your code and enter it in Grow a Garden, and that is how to get Candy Blossom for free in Grow a Garden, and this is working in 2025. This is the easiest method, guys, that some of the biggest YouTubers actually use, and they don't want to show you. So go to Cold Coupons and just find this Grow a Garden Roblox codes page, and they have other codes as well, so you can have a browse. But any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if I helped you get Candy Blossom, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Peace out.